ezDispense eliminates the guesswork from adding high-efficiency liquid detergent or fabric softener to your LG washer. ezDispense's default setting for most cycles is normal, which will dispense 1.5 ounces of liquid detergent and 1 ounce of fabric softener for an 8 to 12 pound load of normally soiled laundry. The ezDispense function may automatically increase or decrease the default normal amount of detergent and softener by approximately 30% based on the load size. Always check the detergent and softener buttons before starting a cycle. The ezDispense function is turned off by default for the delicates, sportswear, and tub clean cycles. If you don't use a special detergent for your delicates and sportswear, remember to turn the ezDispense back on for those cycles. You can manually adjust the amounts dispensed for the current cycle only, or change the overall default settings used for every cycle. To adjust the amount of detergent and softener to be dispensed for only the current cycle, press the detergent or softener button repeatedly to toggle through the options: less, normal, more, and off. To change the ezDispense default settings for every load, watch our video on how to change the ezDispense default settings, or follow the instructions in the owner's manual. Always check the refill indicator on the detergent and softener buttons before starting a cycle to make sure that the tanks are not running low. When detergent or fabric softener is low and needs to be refilled, the red refill indicator light turns on. If you start the wash cycle with the ezDispense drawer open, or open the drawer during the wash cycle, OPN flashes in the display and a tone will sound. Close the drawer, or ezDispense will not dispense the detergent and softener properly.